Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error when you have no sound on your Windows 10. So for fixing it, first thing you need to check is just click here on your speaker and just check here if you add some sound here. If you don't, if you not disable sound on your PC. So this is the first thing you need to check. If you already have here some sound, you just need to right click on this and choose open sound settings. So just find your troubleshoot and just click on troubleshoot, and now you just need to wait some time until it will detect the problems automatically and show to you some ways how you can solve it. So just wait some time. So now you just choose with what device you have errors. Just click next and just wait until it will fix your error. So here you can see that as a solution it showed to us turn off sound effects and enhancements. So just turning off audio enhancements might improve sound quality. To turn them off, use the disable all checkbox to uncheck item individually. Then click apply. If you don't see an enhancements tab, then your device doesn't have any enhancements. So just fix this like it showed to you. And also you need to check if you doesn't connect with Bluetooth to some other device, to some maybe dynamic, and sound will go to this dynamic. So just fix your Bluetooth if you doesn't connect to any device. And the last thing you can try is just right click on your sound and just open volume mixer. And here you can also check your volume in different applications and on your dynamic in general. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.